Hello everyone, I'm going to set up with you the EV1000 of Edwards Advanced Hemodynamic Monitor. To start, press the power button at the back of the machine. Once the machine is on, you'll be asked to enter about the patient's data, HC number, age, weight, height, and gender, then press the home button. EV1000 has three main components: monitor screen, the data box of which will be attached in your flow track system, and the machine pump for your non-invasive finger probe sensor monitoring the clear site. To operate the machine, you'll need to learn the functions of each control button. From the top, the first button is what we call the goal-directed therapy tracking or the GDT tracking button. Here, you can set up to 4 key parameters and adjust your target selections. Monitor screen selection button, where you can choose among the 7 monitoring screen formats. So these are your monitoring screen options. The circle numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 represents the number of the key parameters to be displayed on the monitor. The clinical actions button. This is where you will find the options to do the zeroing and manual entry of your central venous pressure value. The settings menu. Here you can visit your patient's data. You can also find here the help and troubleshooting informations. Snapshot button to record your monitor screen photos, but you'll need to insert a USB drive. This button allows you to directly access the pressure waveforms to do the zeroing. And of course, the silence button for audible alarms. For invasive hemodynamic monitoring, you'll need 3 basic sensor kits. These are flow track sensor, which we'll be using for the arterial line connection, volume view sensor, however it's not available, and the true wave sensor for your central venous pressure connection. So the flow track sensor has 2 cable ends, color red and color green. The green one goes to the data box while the red one goes to the patient monitor. Then simply fix the flow track sensor to the Edwards data box and secure all the connections. The true wave sensor has white cable end and should be connected to the color blue connection of the data box. And the blue cable end of the data box should be connected towards the patient's monitor for CBP reading. To do the zeroing, turn the stopcock off to the patient and open to atmospheric air. Touch the zeroing button for arterial channel, then press home. The EV1000 non-invasive hemodynamic monitor, the clear site system. Secure the clear site system by wrapping it around the patient's arm. Select the proper clear site finger cuff by using the measurement or sizing aid. Place the middle phalanx of the patient's middle, pointer, or ring finger onto the cuff, making sure that the finger is lined up between the 2 green lines on the inside of the cuff. Then connect the finger cuff to the pressure controller. Attach the heart reference sensor or HRS to the pressure controller. Place both ends of the HRS sensor at the same vertical level. Touch the clinical actions and choose zero and waveform. Tap the zero button under Align and Zero HRS. Attach the finger end of the HRS to the clear side finger cuff. Touch the heart end of the HRS to the patient at plevostatic axis. To change parameters, touch outside the globe of a displayed parameter. A pop-up screen will appear and will display the selected parameter highlighted in color. Touch inside the globe to open the target's pop-up of that parameter. Use the arrows to adjust the zone settings. To display perfusion index on your regular Philips monitor, attach your saturation probe. Click on the blank space on the monitor screen. Scroll onto the menu and click the perfusion. Value for perfusion index will appear.